Hey everyone, I'm here at the Lowe's Portofino Bay Resort at Universal Studios Orlando, and today's question is if you can get a small business card without having a formal business. And so in most cases, the answer to that is yes. You don't need to have an S corporation or an LLC in order to get a small business card. You can operate as a sole proprietor, which just means that you enter your own social security number if you're reporting any income from your business on your taxes. And so that's good enough to qualify you for a small business card. You don't need to have any kind of formal incorporated business. Now, during the pandemic, we did see banks tighten up on who they were approving for small business cards. That seems to have loosened back up, particularly if it's a business card with an airline, like the Southwest small business cards. And keep in mind that being a sole proprietor just means that you have some sort of side income coming in addition to your regular salary or your regular job. So that could be anything from selling things around the house on Facebook Marketplace, to walking dogs, to freelancing, to consulting, to working, doing DoorDash deliveries, driving Uber, the list goes on and on. So that's really all that you need to have in order to qualify for a small business card.